In this video today, I'm going to share with you how you can separate your lover from their ex. If you're in a relationship and your lover, your man, your woman, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, they are still communicating with their ex, they are still testing their ex, and this has been bringing serious problems in your relationship. You have tried talking to them, you have tried making them understand the reason why they should stop communicating with the ex, but they seems not to hear what you're saying. They keep on doing what they are doing. Now I'm going to share with you what you can do, a powerful spell that you can do to separate them from that ex. Okay, because sometimes these exes, there are things they can do to make them not to, leave them, to make them always keep in touch with them so that, you know, they will be communicating, okay, even if they are with a new person. Now, when you try to force them to stop communicating with that ex, it can lead to breakup. It can make them to, leave or dump you, okay. But you can do this recipe, this love spell, to separate them from that ex, okay. So what you need to do is to get me the items I'm going to show you in this video. Yes, when you get this item I'm going to show you in this video, you put them together and do it the way I will direct you in this video. You will see that they will no longer, communicate with that ex. They will no longer keep in touch with that ex. And by so doing, you'll start enjoying your relationship. They'll start being committed to you. Okay. So what you need to do is to get me first this item called miracle leaf, the stem. Okay. That's the root of miracle leaf. This is the root. You can see this very well. When you get me this item now, you are going to write down the name of that your lover on this stem. Okay, you're going to write down the name of that your lover on this, and also write the name of that ex that he or she is communicating with on this particular item. Now you're going to use a red marker. Okay, when you get the red marker, you are going to write the name of your lover. Okay, you write the name of your lover. Okay, on the item. If you can see this very well, okay, this is the name I have written. You write the name of your lover on the stem. Then you write the name of that ex that they are still communicating with. You write it on the other side. Okay, you write it on the other side with the red marker. Okay, now after writing the two names, you are going to drop this on the floor. Okay, you are going to drop this on the floor. Now when you drop this on the floor, the next item that you should get is this item called alligator pepper. Yes, okay. Get alligator pepper. Bring out 4 seed from it. Now when you bring out that 4 seed from it, you are going to keep 2 in front of this stem. Okay, when you drop it on the ground, you bring out 4 seeds of alligator pepper. You keep 2 in front of the stem, and you keep 2 at the back of the stem. Okay, when you keep them like that, now you go and get a machete. Okay, get a machete. Now remove your slippers, remove your shoe if you're wearing any. Okay, now you're going to stand and make a request. Okay, that as you're cutting this miracle leaf, that you're separating your man or your woman, your lover, from their exes. Any ex they are keeping in touch with, any ex they are communicating with, that is making your relationship not to prosper, that is bringing conflict in your relationship, that as you are cutting this item, let there be separation between them. Okay, let the universe hear your voice and perfect this work that you are doing. Okay, this will be the things that you say, this will be the request that you make to the universe. Okay, now after saying your mind, after making your request to the universe, you are going to call the name of that your man 3 times. Okay, when you call the name of that your man or that your woman, your lover, okay, you call it 3 times. After calling it 3 times, you raise your right hand up and cut this stem. Okay, you raise your right hand up and cut this stem. When you cut this stem, use that knife and separate them. Make sure they are not in contact with each other. Okay, you separate them. Okay, after doing that, take it separately with your right and left hand. Take them separately with your right and left hand and throw them to different places. Okay, if you throw this on the right side, you throw the other one on the left side. Okay, and that is the end of that problem. Okay, this will bring serious separation, like they are not going to be talking to each other. Okay, they are not going to be communicating to each other if you can do this recipe. Okay, this will put an end to that problem of your lover communicating with their exes, that is making your relationship not to progress. Okay, if you can do this well. Okay, now this recipe, you are to do it at night. Okay, you shouldn't do this recipe in the morning or in the evening. You should wait at night. That is when you are going to do this recipe. Okay, now after doing this recipe, watch out and observe if they are still communicating again. Okay, you will find out by yourself that there is no more communication between them. Okay, this is something that you can do to separate your lover from communicating with their ex, even if their ex is using a kind of charm or spell to to draw them to themselves. Once you do this recipe, they are no longer going to communicate with their ex. Okay, this will be a total separation between both of them. Okay, so this is what you can do to separate your lover from their exes. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, you can use the comment section and ask your question. Okay, you can get this miracle stem, sorry, from the anywhere they are selling spiritual item or herbs. You can ask for this, they were going to give it to you. Okay, yes, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel, drop your comment if you have any. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly regarding any relationship issue that you need spiritual assistance, you can chat me up using the WhatsApp number on the screen. Okay, so that I can assist you. And if you want to do consultation, want to find out what is going on in your relationship, also chat me up using the number showing on the screen. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. Make sure that you carry out this recipe, and I promise you, you're not going to regret doing it. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.